Hello guys, para sa inyo ang awiting ito. That I really love to see you tonight. That I really love to see you tonight.